Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to change ringtone in iPhone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your ringtone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, scroll to where you can see sounds and haptics. Click on that, and now once you click on that you can see ringtone. And once you click on ringtone, you can see the type of ringtone that I have selected here. You can see opening, so you can select the one that you prefer. You can see numerous ringtones over here. You can select the one that you prefer. You can see the one that I have selected, so select the one that you prefer. You can also go to tone store over here. You can see download or purchased tones. You can purchase the one that you prefer to as well, and haptic to over here. So select the one that you prefer, and once you have selected the one that you prefer, go back and you can see it over here. So you can see ringtone and you can see it over here. So at the top here you can see ringtone and alerts, so you can choose to adjust the volume of the ringtone over here. So you can reduce the volume or set it to normal, or you can also choose to make the volume very high. So with this you can change or select a new ringtone and also adjust its volume as well. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.